So, you're working on a document in Google Docs and you want to add some image captions? Well, you're in luck because I'm here to show you how it's done. First, make sure you have your image inserted into your document. Then, click on the image and go to the Format menu. From there, select Caption and boom! Your image now has a caption. But wait, there's more. You can customize the caption by changing the font, size, and even the color. Just click on the caption and use the toolbar options to make it your own. Oh, and did I mention you can also add a caption to an existing image? Just right-click on the image, select Caption and voila! You're all set. Now, why would you want to use image captions? Well, they're great for providing additional context or explaining complex visuals. Plus, they make your document more accessible to everyone. So, next time you're working on a Google Docs masterpiece, don't forget to add those image captions. It's easy, it's useful, and it's just a click away. Happy captioning!